Hello friends, I'm your friend Ali. Today I'm going to draw a cat. Cat is my favorite animal, so I'm going to draw it today. Are you excited? So let's draw together. First I'm going to write C A T. Cat. Now I'm going to draw the cat's head. Now the eyes. And the mouth. And the whiskers. Cats also have ears, so we'll draw the ears. Now we'll draw the body. I love drawing cats because they are so cute and cuddly. Be careful. Now I'll draw the tail. You can see the C, right? I'm going to turn it into a tail. Like that. I'm going to give some lines to make the cat look great. Like that. Next, I'm going to use a black color to cover it in. I'm not actually going to color it, I'm just going to draw over the cat. Like that. Doesn't the cat look adorable? When your cat is done, color it. But remember, cats have paws, so we can't forget the paws, right? If there are no paw, how could the cat catch insects such as birds, rat, like these? How could the birds catch? How could the cat catch it? Now we can color it in. Color the cat in lovely colors, such as orange. I also have a cat. His name is Nobel. The cat's face is so cute. Doesn't it look cute, kiddo? Doesn't it look cute, friends? Remember to color the whole body. In this half, I'm going to draw black because it will look cute. My cat is like it, but a bit different. Now for the lovely ears. My cat is done. So, if you like my cat drawing, comment down below how's my cat drawing. So, that's all. Bye!